Hello guys, most welcome. It's me Madhul Ram and today we will take a look at the uses of coordinate geometry and the real life examples also. At first, before going to the real life examples, we have to know what's coordinate geometry and its history. Actually, in classical maths, analytical geometry is also known as coordinate geometry. Ooh, so we have another term. Okay, fine. Or Cartesian geometry is the study of geometry using coordinate systems. This contrasts with the synthetic geometry also. The great mathematician Menaechmus solved problems and proved theorems by using a method that had a strong resemblance to the use of coordinates, and it has sometimes been maintained that he had introduced analytic geometry. These all stuffs make our mind blowing, which also cause some blasts. Never mind about that bomb blast. Fine. Okay, now let's go and look after the geometrical applications and real life based activities based on the geometry. At first, we will look about the two types. There are two types of geometry such as like 2D geometry and 3D geometry. The 2D geometry consists of only x and y axis, that is, which will form a plane. So the 2D geometry has exactly only one plane. But coming to 3D geometry, it has three axes: x, y, and z. So xy is a plane, yz is a plane, and zx is a plane. Altogether, for 3D geometry, we have three planes. 2D geometry. Now let's see its uses and real-time applications of 2D geometry. Number 1. 2D geometry is used in land constructions. Okay, land constructions. How? Architects use a blueprint and draw in that, whether it's nothing but using and marking where the building should be exactly constructed in the given area. Well, it is used by the 2D coordinate system. Not only then, technologies such as Google Maps and other navigational systems have introduced 2D geometry also. They are so simple to find the distance, estimated time, and all, from traveling from one place to other place by calculating its latitude and longitude. Well, not only that, 2D geometry has also been useful for making graphs and also doing sums in graphs. Not only that, we have about web designing and game coding, which introduces the 2D. 2D coordinate system has also been introduced in many other applications such as like PowerPoint for locating where the picture should be and where the text also should be for a beautiful look. Not only them, it is also there in Photoshop, video editors for a perfect look. Here I have got some examples. Like in PowerPoint presentation, see, we have grid lines. But the same goes with the Photoshop. Even we have grid lines. And I have used another video editor known as Shortcut. It is also using the 2D coordinate system also, but the grid lines aren't visible. 2D geometry contains many positives and negatives too. Example, 2D geometry can help a easier way to find the distance, area, and other stuff by using the formula so simply. But the main disadvantage is it's too lengthy. The formula is really lengthy. They can just calculate by using a ruler or a protractor instead. 2D geometry are useless to find heights, distances from 3D objects. That's why the mathematician is given a birth to 3D geometry. And we'll see what are the uses of 3D geometry. Nowadays, people don't like the classic retro 2D games. Rather, they prefer the 3D games with the good graphics or else with the best quality. That sounds good. But still, the ancient gamers or the ancient game developers didn't know how to create a 3D game. But still, in the era PlayStation 1 and with the Xbox original one, the 3D has started. As such, the 3D game was started with the Nintendo 64. Well, game developers have found how to do it, and nowadays, using the Unity engine or Unreal Engine 4, you can create 3D games so fast and so easily. This brings with the X, Y, and Z axis and motion in all three directions, which helps gamer smooth gaming and a good experience gaming with all 3D and including the 3D audio technology also, which is being implemented in PlayStation 5 and will get soon. Giving up the maximum graphics for all the gamers to enjoy. Well, some people like 2D geometry, but still, people prefer 3D geometry. It has also gone with the 3D printing rather than 2D printing, making metal objects or making plastic objects so fast using the 3D printer. It is also used to find about the 3D objects, view, spectate, and even analyze about the 3D object. Even not only in Unity or any other games, 3D objects have also come into presentation, such as like Microsoft PPT 2019 has a new 3D object which helps the people to make a presentation into a 3D form, which is more interactive. Not only that, we have 3D geometry such as like finding about the height, length, diameter, the area.
3D Cartesian system is also introduced in Google Earth, where we can find 3D Earth and 3D Mars, Jupiter,